In today's video, we'll be discussing the benefits of low-carb diet. If you're interested in losing weight, improving your overall health, and reducing your risk of chronic diseases, then this video is for you. Let's explore how a low-carb diet can improve your life. First of all, let's take a closer look at the different types of low-carb diets. One popular example is ketogenic diet, which involves severely restricting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption. Another popular option is the Atkins diet, which involves gradually increasing carbohydrate intake over the time while still emphasizing protein and fat. Finally, the paleo diet is another low-carb option that focuses on whole and processed foods and eliminates grain, legumes, and dairy. Each of these diets has its own unique rules and recommendations, so it's important to find the one that works best for you. One of the biggest benefits of low-carb diet is the weight loss. When you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body starts to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This can lead to rapid weight loss, especially in the first few weeks of the diet. Additionally, low-carb diets can help reduce hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. But weight loss isn't the only benefit of a low-carb diet. In fact, studies have shown that a low-carb diet can also improve several aspects of metabolic health. For example, it can lower blood sugar levels and insulin levels, all of which are risk factors for type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. Furthermore, a low-carb diet can also improve brain function. When you eat a lot of carbohydrates, your blood sugar levels can fluctuate, leading to brain fog and fatigue. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, you can maintain more stable blood sugar levels, which can help improve your focus and mental clarity. Another benefit of a low-carb diet is that it can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to a wide range of chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart diseases, and cancer. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, you can reduce inflammation and potentially lower your risk of these diseases. It's important to note, however, that there are potential drawbacks to a low-carb diet as well. For example, some people may experience fatigue, constipation, or nutrient deficiencies when following a low-carb diet. To avoid these issues, it's important to eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods and potentially supplements with vitamins and minerals if needed. So what exactly should you eat on low-carb diet? Here are some meal ideas to get you started. You can try zucchini noodles with meatballs, cauliflower rice stir-fry, stuffed bell peppers, baked salmon with roast vegetables, or grilled chicken with avocado and tomato salad. When eating out, it can be challenging to find low-carb option. So here you have some tips. Order salads with protein, such as grilled chicken or shrimps. Avoid bread and pasta dishes. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side. Substitute vegetables for starchy sides like rice or potatoes. Overall, a low-carb diet can offer numerous health benefits including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and reduced inflammation. While there are potential drawbacks to consider, a well-rounded low-carb diet can be a great option for those looking to improve their health and well-being. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Also, if you have some questions or comments about low-carb diets, please leave them below and we will be happy to respond. Finally, be sure to check out our other videos on healthy eating and lifestyle tips. Thanks again, and we will see you in the next one. Happy cooking and goodbye.